The Westinghouse 40-volt cordless lawnmower. High-performance mowing without the hassle of a gas engine. Powered by two included 20-volt lithium-ion 4-amp batteries. With a push-button start that eliminates a pull cord. It's ideal for cutting quarter to half-acre lots. The Westinghouse brushless motor delivers up to 3,100 RPM, so the medium-lift steel blade can power through even thick and tall grass for a clean cut. The 18-inch cutting path with edge-to-edge mowing covers more ground with less misses, while the lightweight design allows easy maneuverability with less fatigue. A foam-padded handle adds comfort and control. 6 height adjustments from 1 to 3 inches supports healthy growth and lets you customize your lawn's look. The included mulching plug turns clippings into natural fertilizer that's safe for pets and family. The large 13-gallon bag minimizes stops, and the top and back handle makes emptying easier. The included 2-amp charger keeps you ready for next time. And when the job is done, the folding design makes storage simple and compact. Upgrade to the ease of high-performance electric mowing with the powerful Westinghouse 40-volt cordless lawnmower.